We have a common goal, zero CO2 emissions by 2050. To reach that goal, hydrogen is the best way to do this, at least for the foreseeable future. But for hydrogen to be a decarbonization solution, it must be produced without CO2 and at a competitive cost. This eliminates all the solutions you have available today. This is the reason why we urgently need to push innovations to create new solutions for the production of a cost-competitive, sustainable hydrogen without CO2 emissions. SAKOWIN has developed and patented a disruptive solution able to address this challenge. We use microwave plasma to dissociate methane into gaseous hydrogen and solid carbon. It's an equipment that is compact and modular that can be installed at the end of a gas line, allowing to produce hydrogen on-site and on demand from existing gas infrastructures. It requires 5 times less energy than an electrolyzer. This solution is truly sustainable. The most sustainable route is coupling this solution with biomethane. It creates a CO2 negative energy solution. However, until biomethane becomes widely available, natural gas can be a source of methane that can allow to produce hydrogen at zero CO2 emissions. Additionally, there are several potential applications for the solid carbon that have positive environmental impact, particularly in the agriculture area and the construction building material. To commercialize this breakthrough technology, SAKOWIN aims to become a Tier 1 supplier for OEM and system integrators as a key technology provider. We have signed our first 5 partners in 2021 in the area of the trucking industry, oil and gas, airports and airplanes, farming, and industrial processes. SAKOWIN is already accelerating the energy transition for a CO2-free future.